Good morning, Saturday, December 16th. It's the day to clean the mast. Now that the hull has been painted, at least the top sides, the bottom of the hull still hasn't been started yet. That's about to start though. And now the masts are going to be painted. Good morning, buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
And they've done incredible detailed prep work to get ready for this moment. All right, so the first coat is done. See if I can walk this fast enough to. And the second coat, I think they're only doing 2 coats, is coming. And we're getting ready for that now. So this is linear polyurethane. It's got, basically you have, it's a 2-part system, first part being the catalyst and then the paint. And they're getting ready for that second coat. Sunday, December 17th, and now that the top side of the hull is painted and the masts are painted, I'm focusing on the main boom, 62 feet long, and the fore boom. Now that to take advantage of the fact that there's no sails on them and they're down low, so I'm gonna put new fresh coats of varnish on them. This is probably one of my last days with good weather here in Ensenada. We're expecting rain this week, so I'm going to try to cram this all in today on Sunday, and then start putting everything back together. Quick video showing the masts. I was asked to make a quick video of the masts now that they're painted. I thought I already did this, but apparently I didn't. So here's the masts, all freshly painted. And this is like the big, I'd say we're over the top hump-wise, and we got a lot to do to put the boat back together though. And today, here on Sunday the 17th, we're doing varnish work on the booms. So here on the 19th of December, the job now is to start putting everything back together, which means first I got to prepare the holes where the masts go through in the deck, get them sealed off so that it gets kind of traumatic when you take the masts out, so you got to seal them all off. Shout out to Starlink, which has been awesome during this haul out. Then I got to start putting new equipment back in. Radars, VHF antennas, things like that, new lights, all that kind of stuff, so that the mast can go back in tomorrow. Tuesday, December 19th, mast going back in today. A lot of wiring and new electronics. I got new radar, new antennas, new lights, all these electronics had to be ran, and I got behind, so I actually never even slept last night. I just kept working. So that didn't delay the process today. So up goes the foremast. Foremast is in and the main mast is coming up now. All right, here's the mast starting to come down. Nice and easy. Getting ready to go into a slot. Nice and easy. Always a weird feeling. Okay, on the way back down here on Wednesday, still morning, and you can see just how clustered all the deck is, and we're moving now all the scaffolding and platforms and getting ready. The props are coming off right now, and we're getting ready to do the bottom work. You can see now in the back area, I'm going to zoom in here. Proper is, see them working now, getting the props off and putting the new props on. The new props are sitting over there.